Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy knockouts in UFC 5. To start, focus on mastering your fighter's basic striking. Pay close attention to timing your punches and kicks for maximum impact, as a well-timed strike can significantly increase damage. Also, practice head movement to effectively dodge incoming attacks, creating perfect opportunities for counterstrikes. Understanding your fighter's unique reach and power attributes is crucial for setting up those devastating blows. Let's dive into the details. Next, optimizing your stamina and power management is key to securing knockouts. Avoid throwing wild, unnecessary strikes that quickly deplete your energy. Instead, be patient and wait for openings to land powerful shots when your opponent's guard is down. Mixing up your attacks between the head and body will gradually wear down their health and defense. Remember, a well-placed feint can create the perfect window for a significant strike, leading to a quicker finish. Smart energy use wins fights. Now, let's talk about setting up that knockout blow. Employing effective combinations is vital. A quick 1-2 punch or a 3-strike combo can overwhelm your opponent's defense. Don't just aim for the head. Target specific areas like the body or legs to weaken them over time, making them more vulnerable. Always look for moments of vulnerability, especially after they miss an attack, as this is your chance to strike. Even clinch entries can lead to powerful short strikes that set up the finish. Finally, delivering the finishing blow requires precision and timing. Once your opponent is stunned, capitalize on that moment with a relentless flurry of strikes. Aim for the head with powerful, well-timed punches or kicks, ensuring each strike counts. It's crucial that your fighter has sufficient stamina remaining for this final push, as a gassed fighter won't have the power to finish. Practice various finishing sequences in training mode to build muscle memory and execute them flawlessly in a real match. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.